Hi guys, my name is Gaurish, aka Kunchla, किससे भी पूछ लो. And today, because nothing I do on this page or anywhere else is actually original, everything is a borrowed copy and copied from somebody else. Today we are going to do the same thing. Today I am going to do 74 question challenge by Vogue. And Vogue जैसा मेरे पास कुछ इतना घर नहीं है दिखाने का, तो जो है वो मैं इधर बैठा हूँ चटपटे आंसर दे दूंगा. इधर मेरा चटपटा दूसरा फ्रेंड है वेदांत एंड ही इज गोइंग टू से आस्क मी सम क्वेश्चन विच आई डोंट नो बाय द वे क्योंकि क्वेश्चन आंसर्स का प्रैक्टिस मैंने मेरे एमबीबीएस एग्जाम के लिए नहीं किया. ये यूट्यूब क्या चीज है. चालू कर.
73 by the way.
73. Oh my god, sorry. 73.
Favorite time of day.
क्या?
Favorite time of day.
फेवरेट टाइम ऑफ द डे आफ्टरनून. आई रियली लव आफ्टरनून, स्पेशली जब कुछ काम धंधे नहीं रहता है दिन में. तो जब मतलब लाइक जो छुट्टी का दिन रहता है ना उसमें आफ्टरनून में, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट समबडी हु विल स्लीप इन द आफ्टरनून. अगर मैं सो गया तो फिर मैं एकदम रात को उठूंगा, तो मैं लेट उठता हूँ. एंड आफ्टरनून इज रियली चिल व्हेन एवरीबडी एल्स इन योर हाउस इज स्लीपिंग, योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, योर मदर, योर फादर, एवरीबडी, इफ इट इज संडे, एंड देन यू आर जस्ट चिलिंग एंड यू आर डूइंग योर ओन थिंग, नोबडी इज लुकिंग एट यू. आई लव आफ्टरनून.
तुम हॉस्टल में रहते हो.
Still, I love afternoon even in hostels.
Biggest weakness.
Biggest weakness, I would say, oh god, biggest weak that I'm an overthinker actually. If I don't like something, I won't do it really.
You don't even think.
You don't even think is what you
Biggest
think.
strength.
Biggest strength that I'm a go-getter. I am somebody who will work hard to achieve something if I really believe in it.
What is your favorite quote?
My favorite quote, nothing is that deep. Actually, it's by Ori. I don't know मतलब उसने बनाया है नहीं, but nothing is that deep. Nothing really matters.
What makes you angry?
What makes me angry? Uh, I think I can be hungry if I don't eat food at the right time. It just makes me angry. Also, incompetent people.
A habit you wish you could give up.
I would give up a habit of laziness. Yeah.
Which thing makes you most excited?
Most excited. I think if I get some acting gig, वगैरह, a work, if I'm getting to go on a set or otherwise filming or uploading a very cool video which I feel is really nice, that gets me excited.
Best compliment you ever received?
That whenever we feel sad, we watch your videos. That's really sweet.
When are you most inspired?
When am I most inspired? I think when this year when I took my first international solo trip to Thailand, I think travel inspires me.
Calmness or naughtiness?
Naughtiness, always.
Something that makes you smile.
Something that's making me smile. It's such a shallow thing, but actually good views. I'm a smiley person. I think I smile. I think a smile makes me smile, if that makes sense.
Is it your coping mechanism?
It could be. I don't know.
Something people don't know about you.
Don't know about me. What do they not know about me? That actually in real life, I think I'm a bit serious. I'm not that bubbly, chatpata. I think that's an online persona that I have created
That's me. When do you feel most like yourself?
in front of the camera.
3 things you can't live without.
Oh gosh, my phone. My phone, maybe internet. That's so sad that everything is technology. And good food. I really like food.
Living in Pune or living in Mumbai?
I think I've lived enough in Pune. I need to live in Mumbai.
Favorite movie character?
Movie character. Oh god. I love Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara movie in which Laila Katrina Kaif. Yeah.
By the way, it was favorite book character पर तुमको देख के लगता नहीं कि तुम पढ़ते हो.
Book यार मैं इतना नहीं पढ़ता. I've mostly read self-help book. Favorite book character. Yeah, I think I'll pass.
Being alone or being with friends?
Different time, different things, but I think I enjoy my company. Yeah.
Most adventurous thing you have ever done?
Solo trip to Thailand, bro. It was adventurous.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Go-getter, dreamer, and creative.
Favorite piece of clothing you own?
This is my favorite gear clothing. What a wonderful. I don't know. वेदांत ने बोला कि मैं 73 question मैंने कभी देखा नहीं, but he's really good at exactly what they do. This is an H&M crop top, a baby pink, very soft crop top.
What is inspiring you right now to record this?
I think you. He made me set up and record it. So I think it's
क्योंकि
Vedant.
मेरे पास काम धंधा ही नहीं है.
मेरे पास भी नहीं है.
Good piece of advice you have received.
The best piece of advice that I have received is do not take yourself too seriously.
Diamond or pearls?
Diamond.
दोनों भी नहीं आपके पास.
ये है ना यार छोटा सा.
First thing you notice about people.
Smile.
Something you regret.
Oh god. Something I regret maybe taking medicine. I don't know.
पापा के पैसे waste.
Oh god.
Music you currently listening to.
What am I listening? You know, actually, I took shower today after like 1-2 days. Gross, I know. But what I was listening to was actually I was in my heartbreak era. Something that I would not share with you all. Okay, so I was listening "Tu Jaane Na" from Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani.
Favorite person.
Favorite person, my dadi actually. My dadi is legit my favorite person.
Favorite place to be.
Pune, favorite place to be. I don't know, around the world. क्या
This
बोल-
room.
This room is my favorite. Yeah,
3 साल से छोड़ा नहीं है.
that is true. Actually, my room.
What makes you feel most accomplished?
I think I'm sorry, but like internet validation makes me feel most accomplished.
How do you start your day?
I start my day by waking up, by snoozing the alarm. It's like, why do I have to wake up? Another day is how I start my day. I just feel like, क्या है भाई? क्यों है भाई? Is what I start a day. And just like, I just all the time calculate कि कितना time है मेरे पास जाने को college.
Favorite holidays?
Summer. I love summer.
Looks or
holiday.
brains? दोनों भी नहीं आपके
यार चलो ठीक है but I think mix I can't do with either or
Who will you like to switch your life with?
I think a nepo kid for sure Janvi Kapoor.
One thing you always wanted to try.
I really want to try skinny dipping.
Most richest purses?
Richest purchase probably my iPhone. Yeah.
Something you wish you knew at 19.
19-year-old that the friends that you're making in your first year of college, they're not going to stick around till the end, so just like chill out.
+1. What do you always carry with you?
Always carry with me my lip balm.
If you didn't live in Pune, where would you live?
I would really love to live in a foreign location. अभी मेरा हो गया, मेरे को न्यूयॉर्क मेरे मेयर के पास जाना है. My mayor Zoran Hamdani, I love you. If hypothetically New York, why not?
Do you have a degree?
I do.
Which kinda?
I am actually an MBBS graduate. I mean, my internship is still going on, but yes, I'm a doctor, believe it or not.
Dr. Gorish. Best vacation you ever have been on?
अभी मैं कितने बार बोलूँ थाईलैंड थाईलैंड
एकलौते जगह जहाँ गया है.
इंडिया में दूसरी बोलूँ क्या? I love Goa. I've been to Goa like thrice already.
A city you always wanted to travel to?
New York, Tokyo, LA. So many. I've hardly traveled.
Something you never travel without? A thing?
मतलब अभी फोन वगैरह तो बहुत जेनरिक हो गया ना बट आई थिंक व्हाट आई लव डूइंग एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई डिड एक्सटेंसिवली इन थाईलैंड एंड एक्चुअली एनीवेयर आई गो इज दैट आई जस्ट टेक माय एयरपॉड्स and I just like start listening to music and I just start walking randomly and I love doing that.
It shows you don't have friends. Favorite food?
Dal bati bro, but khatti mitti dal with बैंगन की सब्जी and कोशिम्बीर. I'm a khandeshi at heart.
Killing Marwadi person. Favorite snack, by the way?
Favorite snack. Oh my god, I love chips. I love banana chips. I love bakar vadi. I love if vada pav counts as snack. I've been having vada pav since last 2 days.
A movie that makes you cry?
Bro, Tare Zameen Par, and also English Winglish.
I think you relate with Tare Zameen Par.
I do. Every time I do.
नहीं तुम ईशान अवस्थी जो लगते हो. A talent you always wish you had?
Talent of singing. I do not have it.
By the way, he sings really good actually.
Really?
Yeah, I have listened to you.
दयालु
बस
भी।
बाथरूम में.
Okay, move on.
Are you confrontational?
I'm not. I'm absolutely not confrontational as a person. No, no, no.
An exercise you enjoy?
Yoga. I can do chakrasan. I know कि 73 में they ask you to do it and Dua Lipa has done it. I'm not doing it.
An
Should I?
artist you love listening to?
Suniti Chauhan, all time favorite.
Do you wish you had any superpowers?
Yes, why not? Superpower to fly. Random.
What's something you don't want to be doing in 10 years?
Not crying on streets, hopefully.
What's the cutest thing on the earth?
There's somebody that I have a crush on. I think their smile is the cutest thing on the earth.
Best thing that happened this year so far?
Me being a doctor, bro. I've studied really hard for it. I really, really hard.
Favorite drink?
I don't drink alcohol, but favorite drink wise, actually, and he's a testimony for it. I cannot even finish a diet coke in like one setting. So favorite drink, Amul lassi.
Drink का मतलब हमेशा अल्कोहल ही नहीं होता है.
Correct, but like I don't drink. I just want to put it.
A
out.
movie that makes you laugh.
I really liked Madgaon Express. What a fun movie. Recently, it was too good.
If you have supposed to choose a dinner for your entire life, what would it be?
Like one thing that I would like to have for the rest of my life. I asked this question to a lot of people. I think it would be dosa because I don't think so I'll ever get bored of it.
Do you believe in second chances?
Yes.
तुम्हें तो दिया नहीं था. What's your ideal vacation?
Having no itinerary. Having literally no itinerary. Just going there, chillax. Whatever I like, I do it, doing it. I'm such a repetitive person. Like अगर मैं थाईलैंड में भी गया अगर मुझे 7-Eleven की कोई एक ड्रिंक पसंद आ गई some hazelnut coffee I used to have that every single day. Like I would not change it.
Same.
I think what's wrong with me? I don't like traveling, trying new things.
What is right about you? What's your favorite thing?
What is my favorite thing? My favorite thing is to do nothing. Actually, genuinely.
What is one thing you love a lot about yourself?
I love a lot of myself. I love that I don't give up.
Favorite
Easily.
color?
Favorite color at the moment pink.
A color you wear most often?
A dark blue. I have so much. I think it's not even a question. Like every single video, this is the same t-shirt.
Describe living in Pune in 3 words.
Fun, a lot of culture, community, and good weather.
Do you like surprises?
I do.
Do you get surprises?
No.
Vintage or new?
Tough question. I think vintage.
Something you are tired of.
I'm tired of my followers getting stuck. Yeah, just move now a little bit. Move a little faster.
Please do follow him. Who do you turn to when you are sad?
Who do I turn to? Yeah, Vedant, Anand, my. Actually, YouTube. Truly.
रोते ही रहता है बस. A trend you like to see disappear forever.
देख देख कैसे कैसे वो बादली को पटक रहा है देखा तूने a trend I would somebody is fucking taking a bath obviously at 10:30 when I'm supposed to shit over anyway trend come on I think a trend to roast people yeah stop roasting
Least favorite food?
God I don't like the sabzi the gilke ki sabzi I don't know what is it called turai gilka I don't like
If at 4 p.m. on a random Saturday, what will be you doing?
I would be watching something
Ideal date.
ideal date a movie watch something really good to eat and then just cuddling back and going to sleep
What lip balm do you use?
I use a bunch of lip balm but at the moment I'm using the coconut lip balm from Thailand that's actually really good I don't know where I've kept it but I'm using it
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to college yeah the people are not giving me 1 day ka leave also
73 questions are finished.
oh my god I love it it's 15 minutes and I love it thank you so much Vedant for like sticking around and asking me a really good question and I'll see you all let me know if you want it more bye bye
But to get subscribe.